Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have these LED work lights from Parkside, the model PAL 2x1200A1. Two powerful removable hand lamps with spotlights and dimmable area lights. Specs for each lamp: lithium-ion battery 3.7 volt 1200 mAh, max 300 lumen, illumination time 2 hours, max power 4 watt with a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual, stay with me, all about this product you're gonna find out at this video. And of course we have the cable. You need to charge this unit type A to type C, 50 centimeter the length, I like that. You can just plug it in here. Near we have the on-off button. You can use a power adapter or your power bank. For now, my power bank. We can see we have 4 LED indicators for each lamp is charging. It is near the end. Okay, perfect. Let's unplug. Seal it very well with this cover. It is very soft, I like that. On a black color, green, the on-off button and the cover. Here at this area are two powerful magnets. You can have this at any metal surface and then you can just adjust. Near 340 degrees rotation, or you can have it at the table. It is your choice, or at any metal surface. We have this handle. I like it. The cover. So if you want, you can use both lights. Just press this button. Highest, lowest, the middle light, and off. We have 3 modes: low, high, and it turns on the middle light, and off. Of course, if you try to turn on and then remove the cover, maybe it will not work because it needs the cover to have the lamps at the correct position, and off. Now if you want, you can use the lamps individual. Just remove the lamp. It has this stand, it can stay at this position. It is your choice. And of course it has magnet. It can come in contact with any metal surface and it will stay there. I like how it looks, very good design. And of course we have the on-off switch here. Low, high, only the middle light. And there we have the indicator for the battery. Every time that I'm pressing the button and turn on the lamp, it turns on the indicator and shows you how much battery you have. Wow, it's so cool. The same of course and for this light. We can see we have these 3 metal contact plates are coming in contact here. So that's why they need to be in the correct position. Close the cover and then you can use it. You can turn on or off and use it just like that. Stand at this position with the magnets at the table. So many options. Now let's see how much brightness we have at the night. Illuminate all the area, I'm sure it will be very bright. Starting with low brightness, both lights at the base. Next, the high brightness with both lights at the base, small differences compared with a low brightness. Next, it is the flashlight, both lights at the base are on. With the light beam you can point something and see better. Now without the base cover, both lights are on in low brightness. High brightness again without base cover. It doesn't seem to have a huge differences. And the flashlight is on, both lamps without base cover. One lamp is on in low brightness. And next the high brightness. One lamp, the flashlight beam is on, and the brightness is very good. It is very convenient. You can use these LED work lights like a flashlight, point at any area and you will see very well. It is rechargeable light with Type-C connection that makes it portable. You can have them wherever you want, at your car, for fishing, at your working area, for camping or for emergency use at your home. And the cost is 30 euros. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.